Welcome back today, guys. We are going to be reviewing the Air Max 97 Ultra 17 Skeptas and the Air Max Deluxe 97 SKs. As you can see, this was the second release of the SKs. This sneaker marks Skepta's 20th anniversary, and also this sneaker is inspired by the city of Marrakesh. That's why the colour is so vibrant. As you can see, a deep woven shade of black with a green stitched Nike logo and stripes of rose gold, and then a black midsole with a goldish bubble and a black outer sole. We don't care about your ism and schisms, cause it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring pussy, it's shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy better know when it's shut down. You wanna act like a G for the camera. You say you're Muslim, you say you're Rasta. Say you don't eat pork, don't eat pussy. This is the Air Max Deluxe 97s. As you can see, the time stamp reference to when he won a mobile for the best video for That's Not Me. It has a black neo frame base. It looks like, you know, back in the day when the TVs would be fuzzy. And it's got a black outer sole with a red hue bubble. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy better know when it's shut down.
A bunch of young men, all dressed in black, dancing extremely aggressively on stage. It made me feel so intimidated, and it's just not what I expect to see on primetime TV.
I'm in a different class. When I get through, I'ma bring my dogs. 2 by 2, man, I walk on the arc. Sitting at the front just like Rosa Parks. Trust me, you don't wanna see me get dark. Upset cause man are way up right now and the shit happened all so fast. I was in Paris, shut down Lark. New York, shut down Central Park.
As you can see, I paid 170 for the 97 Deluxes. And 145 for the 97s.
Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy better know when it's shut down. Yeah, I just shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring pussy, it's shut down.
For the 97s, you'd wear black jeans, black top, and these it'll be like the statement piece of your outfit. And for the 97 Deluxes, you can wear a black tracksuit, you know, maybe a black top, grey jeans and a black puffer jacket and these. So yeah, thank you guys, like and subscribe, and make sure you follow my IG.